Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present about our project. For the project title is Kadoli. We are from DAD 5B from Group 2. My name is Muhammad Alif Taufiqillah bin Muhammad Rostan. Metric number 01 DAD 18F1042. For the introduction, for the title Kadoli, our scope for compact car weight under 2000 kg. Second scope is only lift front tire, and then for indoor or flat surface only. Let's go to the problem statement. First problem statement is it is difficult to move a car that is in such a tight space. Second one is it's hard to move a broken car to another place. The third one is pollution and fumes in the confined space. And the last one is time taken to move the car. For the objective number 1 is to design a car dolly. Number 2, to develop the mechanical system of car dolly. Objective number 3, to develop the structure of car dolly. Objective number 4, to develop the roller of the car dolly. Number 5, to design the structure of car dolly wheels. And the last one is to analyze the performance of the.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azwan bin Muhammad Zaki. I want to present about literature review, methodology, and the final design. First of all, the literature review is car dolly provide rectangular shape support frame in the invention provide a stackable dolly that is a compressed of the rectangular frame with the ability when wheel mounts on the underside of the frame for row able supporting the frame on surface. In addition, the frame is provided with the polarity of part each has an opening in one end and a main member of opposite end. Wheels are positioned at the corner of rectangular car dolly base. The wheel support is provided at each corner of the frame composed of the end member and side member respectively. The wheel is providently carried between the legs of the yoke so that the work dolly can be movable, transported from place to place, carry the intense load with falling, toppling, and shifting. And we continue with the methodology. The process to get the suitable structure of the car dolly will have started with the literature review to get the information for the best structure of car dolly wheel. For the best structure in the 3D model was developed using Inventor. Inventor also used for the stress analysis. The process are observation for the structure is wheel strength to support car load around 1000 kg to 2000 kg. The fabrication of the car dolly wheel structure start with assemble with the structure using bolt and nut. The strength test will be due at the car dolly wheel structure to determine the strength of the wheel to support the load. After all the test was complete and don't have any damage on the project, the car dolly structure will be present as the final result. Okay, let's continue with the final design. The final design is shown in the slide. Our project is 100% complete and success. As the to prove the our project is success, we can see on the demo at the next presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahrul Naimi Muhammad Shukri. My matric number is 1054. So today I want to present about procedure of this project. Firstly, we do a survey and get the suitable material to be used. Next, we measure the material to design measurement. Next, we go to a cutting process. Next, we go to installation of material and welding process. We use MIG welding to fabricate this project. And then we go to a fitting process, and the last one we go to a performance testing to make sure this product can be used. And this is actual costing for this product. Firstly, wheel quantity 8, cost per unit is Rm10 ringgit. Total cost is 80 ringgit. Next, steel for structure, we use 5, cost per unit is 30 ringgit. Total cost is 150 ringgit. Next, we use mechanism for lifting the vehicle. We use 2 mechanism, so cost per unit is 50 ringgit. And total cost is 100 ringgit. Next, we use bearing. We use 8 bearing, so cost per unit is Rm15 ringgit. So total cost is 120 ringgit. Other part like screw, welding cost, and other, total cost is 50 ringgit. So this cost of the project is about Rm500 ringgit. This is our result. When
this is for discussion before project implemented. Before the project being implemented, we buy a square steel, hollow cylinder steel, 20 diameter shaft, bearing, tires, and other items. For the objective, scope, and statement project issue need to be carefully understood. The design of the project also need to be reviewed. Subsequently, all costs that have been determined will be recorded in reference to the expensive project. From this record will be identified whether the cost of this project is high or low. While the project implemented, after the completion of the project material purchase, the next step is implemented. This is include welding frame, tires installation and fitting, After that is finishing. In this stage, in the finishing stage, we then process to install the mechanism for this Kadoli to make sure this project work properly. For the conclusion, in conclusion, we got to learn a lot from making this project and get to know that workship is important in making perfect and meticulous project. However, this project is not nearly perfect, and have a lot deficiency on it, but we can learn how to improve our skill and project function to be more efficient for user. It is good experience for us even many problem occur during the process and the design not exactly as what we wanted. In this project, students also get to be more creative and innovative in order to make product that multi-use for community and daily life, also making progress for country to reach a better future. There are also characteristic and function for the component to learn through many reference, and it help a lot. All practical work we learn from semester 1 to semester 4 really important to make this project, because most of it use practical skill that we learned before. Without this skill, our project will not give any result and there are chance to fail. We hope that our product will be continued by other students and got to be more better result than us, also can solve the major problem people face in this case. It is important for the future of our country to have a new invention for a brighter future. This is our reference and credit. The first one we got from Douglas Hodges, 1997. Dang Shimizek, 2009. Cliff D. Gardner, 1974. Scott, in 2006. That's all from our group. Thank you so much.